nneema bi ono ma ebi asa to sina na se ya adwene free so a yen kaka ho anu a me ne wo kan ensem bi fa se yenya integrity na me ka cho se de ene akoye ya wo man mu se nipa na wo begina se yento abama no nipa no meka se wo lack integrity ya ene ya hwe sa de na ama nipa no o kasa asem na wo kan wonim se wontimi nye wonim se ade na wo kan embamu sa obetimi aye kura nyamre na ade ama no nanso no wo ka sanse yen na yetie no we don't have any integrity ono na wo kasa no any integrity so integrity anka omunka asem a omuntimi nye nkyere yen den na omo ya omitimi obitimi ka se political talk wakaso asem na waka no nye no kre ade na wo ye no anase wo ka ho asem no entimi mamba wo koka wo say a political talk because that person has no integrity and na yeni aye tie wo mo na yeni aye beto aba mo no you also lack integrity sankanya sa ade na wa wonim se nipa no ka ye no wantimi anya wo so your party member so we don't talk about it eni kwa say kana so no de enka differently na nipa na obegina na woni integrity ani yenia yeta na china yekoto abama no na yini integrity na ofri se aban no oba eno obenya integrity we ni de Ghana yenya in the last republic woman fourth republic woman e free 93 banyina ye kan yema hayen a eyesa nyema wi na se peniye dia e braso se ye ka ho nsem e ka kire ye ho se this is the situation, this is where we find ourselves. Don't expect anything different. When nipana obano wa wunim say de woka no enye no kre wo so awudi na chiri wunim say enye no kre ba so your party member so yen support no na party ni baba mu wi afena na what else do you expect? What difference do you want to see? And now you design no komo. We criticize the system, we criticize the policy, we criticize government conduct. Wabra yenya the opportunity we do worse. It's not like we are doing something different here better. If we are doing anything different, we are doing even worse. Inti ene omano ase will be ya de boni kra yenka. And ase bi nsem fonso ni asoso so nti eno mo ne free say. How do you expect the government to be different? Today we'll be talking about climate, but let's look at a political climate ya criticism womaimo. Ghana in the last 30 years, we enter the Fourth Republic 92 and 93 day by. Na yemhwe abaya yenya any day ye way. Makato say if anybody should say MPP buy wonyehwe, NDC buy wonyehwe anipa no nka no correct. But there Yana say nyema ya no ko say twem sa. That is what I talk about. Untimi nka say MPP be wonyehwe and NDC empo sa mo nyehwe kra no. Say bi obi ameki kanse hu bi e de ntokwa beba. Eja yeti him ne di nkuisa na so ga o ma we nkanye ohiaman na nado nso ne kan Ghana nye ohiaman yeti sika so komdien e no kre wonu so onim se ne yeti sika so komdien oba de no be. This is a climate you have created as a nation. Nadia Yan say, how can a people we become part of a system that oppresses our own people? This is the climate we have created. A people that we have become part of a system that is oppressing its own people. Yes, now the last time I catch you now, Ghana is 69 years. Yeah, the next celebration be 70 years. And that's a Ghana this 70. Tama ye ji ye fan who ye fan who ye free hamunzam abofunism. Okay. And you know what share so oppressors rule. Let's resist it. Ye ba ye nya ye ji ye fan who no. Ghana what abofunu gold mbo wi na nim ne gold aye wa ye say ye ton was ye wi no. Why na wi akese? Sana abofunu wi aye. Na san ye nya ye ji ya de no. E de na de aye. De wo na de na de aye. We have become a people that are part of a system that is oppressing its own people. We are our own oppressors. Abrofono be di yeso be share yeso. Yen so yen no edien yaye yana ye di yen nkrofo. Na dia ya ne se obi wia Ghana sika yenam se ababe nipa ya be kan nkrofo yen ya ye sisi Ghana fronti no de wo wia Ghana sika ne e boy se mama no because of your party member. That's where you have become part of a system oppressing its own people. But be a bedroom no. Either we oppress others or clap for those that are oppressing others. Abofun be so ma be share so. Nansen we a taxi driver, trotro driver especially. So I thought now we fa obi na de na kosi wa ha, ofo obi na de na kosi wa ha no. Oppression be na tisa because we ni an woni car, because we depend on that your trotro na we 5 cities no. Wo momu pesika dodo. So brofun be no mo so pesika dodo nti omu wi gold. Wo ti ano mo, wo trotro no de fani, wo gi 3 times the fare. Why you oppress a channel? Why you oppress a channel? We have become part of a system that oppress our own people. And what your man has said, brother, I didn't obey. By a just system, no man, I didn't know what it does say you are an oppressor, or you clap for the one oppressing because I will face someone in one party. Oh my, I gold. Oh my, I manganese. Oh my, I diamond. And there are some lithium. Oil. Hey, Ghana, yeah, that powerful papa. Yeah, that powerful papa. And it's all because of the kind of leadership we've had. And we don't talk about it because you and I, we are corrupt even more than the people we choose them. How many parliamentarians do we have? 276 for 35.5 million Ghanaians. How many parliamentarians now? So how do we say parliamentarians are corrupt? Yen corrupt. Yen corrupt. And out of us, because the constituency in Ghana is a district. It is us, not them. After all, President never accompanied. How many ministers, how many parliamentarians compared to the 35.5 million Ghanaians that we have? This is a climate we have created for ourselves. And we don't want to talk about it because when somebody was stealing, we clapped for him, we defended him because we are part of that system, political party. Today, we have become part of a system oppressing Ghanaians. And to what kind of crime you become a public enemy. This is where we are. This is you know abrafo ba no Ghana nia na wo ya kweli kweli me se me Kofi nkamtienka ada se mumu bi ma be chimi akoton me kora ana makoma mabusha panis kaso meton because some be on ma me kanya mode say ya na ne ete say and that's where we are now. This is the climate we have created. Today we have succeeded in having a poor political climate such that we are divided, even getting a presidential jet for our own president. And this is actually okujetomo omakasasa and nanadu de nebudwe once in 10 yentimi enkase yekoto jet ama president meanwhile we need it a country am so wo gold wo boxer to manganese wo lithium yentimi yekoto presidential jet ayasem nanka Ghana your 3 presidential jets your 4 kran Gabriel so Akushi 70, and we don't want to talk about it. Say DNT. This is a political climate you have created. Abofono bedi edwumu na sare wo ma anya hwu yen de ya ye ho no e chen ye enyenka ye na na e wo data nyanka nye kura. All in the name of democracy. Political climate we are creating am divided. You see, Nancy Akoko Hunsenbai. I'm asking you. You see, I say you are defending or promoting the cause say somebody wants to score political points and you are so and then cause say masenia the cause nyina. You refuse. Is the Ghanaian farmer and our bro. Say ye tum, say yampa. Who is crying? The Ghanaian farmer. Yen fa bibia nto nchen. the MPP can, the NDC can. At the end of the day, Ghana, what we pride ourselves, we are the second largest producer of cocoa. And on so far, who is oppressing that? Is it not the Ghanaian? It's not the MPP or the NDC. It is you fueling it. You fueled it when you were opposition. Now, once you are opposition, you are fueling it. Who is suffering? It's the Ghanaian farmer. Then this opposition, you know, now not chubby, and go say Tumuko 6,000. To mine. Because we are opposition. And then these MPPs are opposition. Now not chubby, and go say, meanwhile, you know the current price of cocoa or world market. You see how we are. We have created this political climate. At the end of the day, who is suffering is the Ghanaian. Who is that? Who is oppressing that Ghanaian farmer? Is it not a Ghanaian? MPP and DCI. We have serious problems and we need serious people to solve them honestly. We have become our own oppressors. At the end of the day, who is suffering is Ghana. It is your pride my second largest producer of cocoa. Can we say that probably next year or next 2 years? A brass will say, now we can reset no. Meaning, so now President Mahama, so much to reset to, including one more party in Bibia Ghana. We have so much to reset. Nankanyasa, look at the climate I created. We have schools in the bush. E-blocks a Janu in Niram. Hospitals are a Jan in Niram. None of these people know about ordering industrialization, yet we have youth crying for jobs. And then you 5,000 slots, you get 500,000 people applying for that slot. 5,000. This is where we are. This is a climate we have created. We have a problem, Obusia. Until you big job party politics near the Ghana Dinka, you know. And then me want paying for hunting me the besia.